Hello, my name is Joseph Hayden, and today we are going to make pink eggs. First, we're going to need a pan with butter in it and some red hot spicy sauce, red sausages, and 12 eggs, a dozen. First, you'll chop these up into smaller pieces and
saute
them in the pan, and then when they're done, we're gonna mix it in with scrambled eggs, and then add cheese, and then you made pink eggs, and it's super spicy when you eat it.
Yep. All right, we're going to pause the video now, and we're going to do it, and we'll resume it and show you each step so you can watch it with us.
Okay.
Okay.
Do I cut, please?
Yep. So what are you guys doing in here? Tell the people at a distance what you're doing.
We're cubing the red spicy hot sausages. And don't ever use sharp knives without a parent's permission or a parent's supervision.
You're right.
That's the same thing.
You must be trained on how to play with knives.
Yeah,
use knives.
I learned how to use knives in Cub Scouts. And sometimes knives can be fun to cut with.
And Skylar is putting them in here in our saute pan, and we're going to cook them up here in a little bit.
There. Like roasting them from a fire.
All right,
they're really
put them
good
in, Hayden.
when you do that in pop. Kylie, you forgot to do it like this. Oh, don't point at people.
Skylar Ray.
Stop using the knife. It's super sharp at the bottom.
All right.
There. That's all good.
We'll be back in a minute, people.
Can we dip?
Yep. All right.
Do
So this is the sauteed. Go ahead, pour it, Hayden. Now we're mixing the eggs, and we're going to turn these into scrambled eggs. And what typically happens is they'll turn slightly pink as they cook.
Yep, because of the red layered sausage.
You're right. We'll be back in a few minutes.
Now we are going to try the pink eggs and this. And Kylie and Skylar is the test triers, but Skylar's not here right now. I guess he doesn't want to try the eggs. And I love eggs.
Wow! So you can try first.
Yeah, I'll tell you if it's spicy or not.
Well, you guys didn't let me in.
Okay, so.
Yum, yum. Now try the veggie.
So those are cheesy steamed vegetables.
Now it's time for my try.
Can you eat like a human, please?
How does it taste? Good. Skylar, it's your turn. After.
Kind of good.
Kind of good.
Because it's a little too cheesy.
All right, so we're going to show them a close-up of what we did. These are Hayden's or Joseph's pink eggs that he likes. And these are just simple California blend steamed vegetables with cheese.
I'm going to punch you in the face.
All right, say goodbye, guys.
Bye.